Osoro koto boy, eba be free, bengrege dembo free, abane kabaz ne koko, what yas ye, ebe ko beba. Atabini, double face ba kope, bini baby abi. There are many ways to kill a cat, and na kwesi broni kayan. Or say the destruction of the Santa Cruz are diameter of money parents. What yas ye, so as we all come be braye fasua, ye dinesta. And one is bet. This is the time for you to brew and be a billionaire. But more than so, be called Google Play Store and I say Apple Store. Download the 1xbet app. No, what download the app here? You know, register with the promo code WINRICH. The promo code is WINRICH in capital. WINRICH in capital. Well, you know, baby, 200% bonus. Just say, "Ebeji win some win pay win up a day." And 1xbet. 1xbet. I just have one chat. So you can come out there. Send a bit deep.
Previously on Students of Today.
Nanka me pay just 100 CDs po.
Minimum 700 CDs, but if you're being here, scans no dey to turn your man kanka. Next time the 200 CDs name on. Bye.
Well sure.
Yes sure na je.
Could you believe say Juan and Nema no oye nyina. Eh some form one guy bia sack.
That small pikin bi no.
When me no.
That's a way dey ba.
Let me tell you, in scientific research, we call something obligation.
You mean dating?
Ella, school mo na me no me need time. Say me no school ni bi kura time no way.
Right? So bad school mo I want to say what was serious girlfriend and me can't show any serious girlfriend.
Students of today. Gesta. Aka. The Juma who I ain't a man for quick keys. Oh, yeah, will be baby, I'm on simple. AKABENEZER. I don't know, say so, child, dear French. Nice one, Teda. Nice one, Teda. Nice one, Teda. I say, when we like on. Do you know, we're con. On pair of our phone. Tell you what, the enam womb. Thou be the enam womb. About go forward, this school man, I was so. Branch is what I want in tea, this young so. And I'm for pa. I wanted to want them. Like it. Students of today, yeah. Students of today, yeah. I go him kwa, this year no dear Debbie, Messi, I go him kwa, this year no dear Amumpo. Students of today, yeah. Students of today, yeah. I go him kwa, this year no dear Debbie, Messi, I go him kwa, this year no dear.
Abby, do you know the reason I called you?
No, I don't know. What's wrong?
I really need the handouts, the mass handouts.
The mass handouts. Okay, so.
But I don't have enough money on me.
But what do you want me to do?
I only have 8 CDs, but I will give you back when I get money.
The book is 10 CDs and you are giving me 8 CDs.
I don't have enough money on me right now.
So where do you expect me to?
I'll pay you back. Just take it. I'll pay you back when I get money.
Boys, eh?
How are you doing?
I'm good, and you?
I'm doing good.
Thank God.
Everything is not okay. Everything is not okay. I've never seen a relationship with 3 people before. If your word is wrong with you, what do you have to do with Ruben?
Father, you know I'm not dating Ruben.
You are not dating Ruben.
I needed to discuss something with you.
Okay, I'm here.
It's about last night. I was prepping and a certain senior came to call me. So we went and met another senior over there.
Okay.
Sister Lydia. They started threatening me and giving me warnings to stay away from you and all that because you guys are dating.
Threatening you?
Yes.
For what reason?
He said, you guys are dating, so I should stay away from you, else they will deal with me.
Several times I've seen you with Ruben. I talked and get tired, but you will never change.
Right now, you don't believe me anymore, right?
Why do you want me to believe you? Are you Jesus Christ? Are you not a human being?
Father, wait. Listen to me. You are the only person I love, please.
Really, Efia? We are going to do this right now.
No, why are you doing this?
I don't want to have any problem with any senior. That's why I called you. So I'm here to plead. Please don't call me or something like that, else they will deal with me.
Abby, take it easy, okay? I'm very sorry this happened to you. Okay, I will deal with this. What's your name again?
Sister Lydia.
Lydia.
We're in the same dormitory.
Please don't be offended, okay?
Look, I think we are done here. I can't do this anymore. Alright? I can't do this anymore.
Fadel, you can't say this, please.
I'm done with you. Efia.
Fadel, please, you can't say this to me.
Really, Efia, really, we are going to do this right now. I'm done with you.
I love you.
It's finished, it's over.
Please, Fadel.
Hey, yeah, dance of today. Yeah, I coach in Kwa, the Siano, dear Debbie, you. Messi, I coach in Kwa, the Siano, dear Amumpo.
Don't be offended.
Boys, please, this one, dear. I can't take this risk. Like, I can't bear this risk. So please stay away from me. I don't want any problem with them.
Come on.
I'm sorry. That's why I called you. Thank you.
Abby.
You wait. Okay, let's go to class. So we'll discuss about it. Let's go.
Like, why tricky? That guy, I know the Bible. Why, what did they want? Like, how? Makonzi, hey! Boy, I say talk. Make I hear something from you. Iba, what did they wrong you with it? Ah, Charlie, talk me something. I know if you talk you. Why? Yeah. Champion. Oh, Charlie, my guy.
What's up?
Yeah,
why you them day class so you come sit here?
Charlie, it be sacco. I don't know.
Is that night they call me, Charlie? Make you excuse, that's why.
Okay. Sir, Charlie, we go meet.
Vibes. What's up?
Ladies, why did you bring me here? Oh, nothing really serious. Oh, okay. Thank you. Oh, you look good in your uniform. It's nothing bad. Do you know you're very beautiful? And I like you, and I like your good words. Thank you. There's something
I want you to be my closest friend, good friend.
Oh, no problem. You're my friend already.
Oh, I mean, you have to know, you have to understand. I've already told you that you're a very beautiful girl.
I know.
I mean, I really love you.
Jesus Christ!
Champion, you boy. There's a fire on the mountain. We for run.
One go away.
We for run, giddy.
Why also flow me, blow me, fella?
I swear, the way my coins they my top pen. They scare me for this campus.
They are top saying, what do you do? I'm
sick of Joan. They warn me, say, if I no stay away from Joan, what he would do to me, then things. Oh!
But you propose give the girl, Anna.
I don't propose give her.
The girl propose. I wish you talk say it be friendship.
And that one he be so bad, Charlie. The Makonzi guy. Something they worry him. How he dey my top for this campus. He say no one see me then, Joan. Like he see me say the talk Plasama. He will kill me then things as hey wait.
What no cause for alarm now? What's it?
You love who?
Oh yes sir. I mean it. Whatever you want, you just tell me. I'll do it for you.
Holy Jesus.
Oh, spare me that. Yes, I mean it. I'm serious. I really like you.
Do you know that what you just said is an abomination?
Who cares?
Even before God.
Who cares?
And even in our society.
It's allowed now. No, it's allowed.
It's allowed.
I really mean it. I mean it.
God have mercy. I soak myself in the blood of Jesus.
No. Oh. Yes, sir.
Why? You propose give the girl, Anna.
no propose give
the girl propose give you. Abi she talk say it be friendship line.
But some puppy taking daughter comes way they cool plus someone or you bo. You say me can talk plus some blah 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 a whole lot.
See, make you no mind am. Me the girl she fresh. Me I talk you say you for do what you understand. You for do what then do the moves. Like you do the moves that this one will come.
Nah, bro.
See, me if I hear say them the date, but me I know should that confirm say it be true or not. The girl say
in guy that them the date.
Just understand, let's cooperate. I like you, I will do anything for you.
Maybe, please.
Why? Are you afraid? I mean, no man human be like you.
Calm down, you calm down. Mavis, is this what you are into? How many people have you proposed this your love issues to?
That's the past. I mean, I love you. You are the one I'm talking about right now. Just give me the chance. Let me prove my love to you. Oh, stop it. It's okay. Oh, let me touch you.
You ask the girl.
Yeah, I be some.
What did she talk?
Why she talk me no there? She talk me say it be some old life now. As them come from one no. We na she no know anything. Is it from one for any so share that we ma consider to be famous for the campus here. So as he moved to no way she agree. But I be like your guy be famous. You see that thing where she agree like
she want trend so
some allo crocodile John for dating you. Nothing serious.
So you mean say right now no, them know the date.
The girl say you know they feel I'm like they hate him cry. You know they like to see him for in life or
that be blessing in disguise, my guy. It be blessing give you.
Mavis,
see how you're doing it.
Do you know something?
No.
God needs you. And this will tarnish your image. It's going to destroy you. So it is better for you to seek Jesus than to seek evil.
Like seriously?
Like yes.
I just came to tell you how I feel or how I felt, but you...
Mavis, I respected you on this campus.
That's why
I didn't know you are into this act. May God have mercy on me.
Really?
If the girl know the feel it be you where the girl they feel. Make you not lose God. Me every day they tell you to make you not lose God. The girl they feel. Forget what Mackenzie they do, make you not focus on them. Move to the girl. You understand? Because right now where you move to, you know, I see say you started bring some things where with the chop where you say it be the girl with dash you. Abi.
That one it be so.
So you don't enjoy them.
But you be angel or you be devil? What you be?
See, I be your angel, I be your devil, I be your everything. Me, I feel make you do anything. This thing will help you. It will help you. Right now when me a day here, and if I say go talk and say make you give you money, I go give you. You understand? If you take come, we go enjoy you. You know be pay.
This about their bad they treat me. You day
see if the guy touch you them go sack him.
Champion you are the camp.
See if make you no go. If he touch you them go sack him. So make you no fear anything.
What I do every day. That's the main purpose that we are here. So I have to learn. I'm even tired of learning.
Lydia, so what do you take me for?
Take you for? Why are you acting so strange?
I don't like, what are you insinuating? Do you know I'm the boy's preferred for Christ's sake?
Yeah, I do. What did I do wrong?
So what would you go about when you're second years to know about me?
Oh, no more you feel. End the day and your money bay as a pabet. Extra large and large medium sizes need now. Naturally business it to them. Or look what you be. Bra, I. No more you feel papa me to mend that down. Into that ben. About time never ba. Huh? Bra, why pot chopper? So we'll learn him. Martin. Inti menya ho ma menhwe na me wiana me wakasa.
Very good. Tell your person that you have visitor, eh?
You should know I'm the boy prefect. Please. You should know my... Come on. Okay? What do you want the first year and the second... What do you want them to take me for? That I go around dating the first year and the second years? Please. Okay?
Did I say you are doing something like that?
I don't know, but...
I didn't say something like that. I just questioned her. And that's all.
Why should you do so? You are in the third year, for Christ's sake. Why should you do that?
But is it true that you are going out with the girl or not?
Why should you ask me... Don't ask me that question. Don't ask me that question. Okay? I want you in it. That's all I want. Okay?
That is what I wanted to hear. So I questioned her about it.
That means you did it?
Yes, I really did it. But she came and told you. Why should I deny?
Hey, keep your voice down. Keep your voice down. Okay?
Madam, please. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, man.
How are you doing?
I'm good, and you?
I'm also good.
Wow.
Very good. Anything wrong?
No.
Oh, listen. Talk to me. Eh? Anything wrong?
Why?
Oh, you're supposed to go to office and you come sitting under the tree with plastic chair. Then why? Anything? Okay.
But the time you came, I was here making a call for business.
Okay. So you mean you like your piece, eh?
Yes, please.
Okay. That's good. That's why I like you. Like always see people. I came home.
Why didn't you ask me first? Okay, let's assume you're like assuming the first year and the second year you were working about. What they even think about me? Do you know I'm the boys prefect? What were you thinking? Like, you know I want you and you alone, okay? Please don't let this happen again, okay? Huh?
I hear. I won't. Why should I do that if something like that is not going on?
Okay, either way, I don't know what went on, but please don't do that again.
I hear.
Okay.
Okay, see you later.
Okay.
I will see you soon.
Okay.
Oh, boys, no problem. Love you. Love.
What is love?
Hey.
Please, madam, what about my letter? I will read the letter. I like the smile.
Okay. Me read it.
Very good. I know that you read. I know. I can see in your blue eyes that you read. Then, what is it? Is that the letter? How do you feel?
I feel like no understanding because me reading in seminar shadan sisi
Pardon?
In seminar sisi it doesn't sound well. Why them? Ele invite him there. I feel be min konkojao. And they also stay below walana.
I mean, I invite you with it. Let me just hey, what? Is that my concern?
Why? I don't see them. Ni girl na, girl be. From to ni girl be na. Enra yete no warning kakwe bi no. Your friend, prep time, your friend be busa any questions. Some wako catch her. So
it's about Abington or Abigail.
Yeah, it's all about Abigail.
Hey, Lydia, when you're a small girl, you have to do what is right for you. And more being churned.
That's exactly what I'm doing.
So, Uncle Beso, where they?
Like he's denying or so only getting
Bayan cast on in will be you. Yeah, if some girl on say, this our mountain, and I know who you are. So your boys be so. And don't ban on that doesn't mean he has something doing with them. Obia, Bema, or to show to Sukro, like I say, now or dinner, what can near who be done.
It's all right. Concern. I mean, you see, you understand the director?
No, I don't understand it because I'm a practical. Are you sure, sir, when I write it I'm a letter now?
On that, man, please. For your terrace. Well, come on. For your terrace. Well,
Dabby. On sound the roll, on CCD. Ain't you know?
I did back. Crocodile. It's okay. But there. Okay, please. Madam, please. I'm going for commercial break, eh?
Patrick, come.
Please, I'll be right back, eh? Very good. I tell you.
You'll be right back. Aware? Now not in our mercy. Man, you'll be right back. And some will squeeze had a power. Ah, Patrick.
And then we and there's an awesome no party be on the street now. Because on a party, was on a power from over or within my I check his eye. Hey, Joe! Hey, who's the Kumu? Who's the answer the Bias? I do. And you are the only coming to make them big over. So, no, I didn't and you French. I didn't tell you. They said, oh, yeah, I'm a somebody. Oh, there be yes, sir. Oh, we are saying, my cat is sudden. Oh, we are penny for teachers who are around dinner. Who ban over teachers over the man? They are some more difficult. Yes, what you mean? Planning me, but I'm not ready. Who's Jay? Jay, so the page of the gravity. Who could do? Make coffee and many pubs of a smithy. I don't patch and I bet Tuesday no more best. We are Jimmy and a potato to your French. Your French and a potato to go on a map. Sure. No, there's a French be no check. Who's the idea of Moku? When your French teacher, I said that one in Tankasa, I could be son. Sure. What's that? I try train now. No, hey, Mama Cassan go from. As some more can be from the genus of a catcher. Only one can wouldn't that. My finding out. You're finding out, Massa, once on your friend teacher. You're quite in Jenny, you're quite generous. Bonjour. Bonjour, no. When the letter bonjour, not a random day, bonjour. As must be. Now, first time back class. Who's a 3? Was it 3? What damn? The moon, your friend. Mamma, my friend, my chum, I say some so. Only see the first time or buy parade one mono. Minya, Obi walk up French. Oh, you wish he, Oluagua, only nan cranning in there. That is good of you. Thank you. Princess. No. Do you know what I like most about you? You are so humble. And you dress very neat. I love everything about you. So keep it up, okay? Thank you, sir. And don't be naughty. Great. You can now leave. Thank you, sir. All right. Okay, bye-bye. Princess. Bouger. Ne French teacher so sugar say so da. Na mo class dey about. No, one agent ha. Nti ase French for nyase. French teacher, o twem obechia ujevie, pese isi obesa be twem. Na papa mu nyina apa. Ujevie. De woka ojino ana. Ojino. Ujevie. Asa. Ujevie. Enti football match ne de. So mo say Friday na ebo interest. Abi nyina say dey bia ofisi. Nyina say na ono de oyela. Minya. Enti say dey no say ye fa ho. Because it's only French. What's your to master? It's a master. Nini pa what's the team to the demonstration can see any time near Pamuaquan. Oh boy, too much. What's that? How can I teach you now? Romeo and Juliet. Bougez-vous. Wow, je vois. Nana, on a ask him now. They will ask me to do. We know the Bible, which is French, and we Nana, in fact, some me don't demand to you. Miss, what's so I have French, they will share it and say, we you good, Papa. Which of what? Le French word about Bougez-vous. I would just Rosalenda. Rosalenda. Casabaco, you know my sentence between American. Fortunate. And you're working that Rosalinda. It is a Rosalinda independent. Which one can give me that? You say, Bougez-vous, hey, Cadibi. While we are the teacher, some but 20. Oh, Debbie said, what some would know. I want to pass over to French. I don't know who Medina went to the French. Monsieur, wait a patrol, Monsieur, comment allez-vous? Bonjour, maman. Bonjour, papa. Bonjour, Achille. No. Comment allez-vous? What's the song West? No, Jai. But you're Ukrainian or French? Me patrol, money, Mariana. Let me show Papa, Miss Wadoma, and India Consumer. Over Smyrna Joseph. Je vous sais. Il y a no de petit, il y a no. I'm a child of France. Ah, what did you? Yeah. Now what child of France? France for you school in the Treble Nibia there. Several na adwene. One day me gina blackboard we need the chalk or try no there. What you call? Onti abasa na ma wo yi adwena ye ayisa. Ya na me ye Treble na me. Nenti abaye okonya na we. France dey timedua. Ghana ni dey friend efu agro no ko board na so France. Oni be show bi. Wo mu twitwa na bi ka na gugu. Be sha na ma ba no so bia. Kweti. Say no brow. O mo ma mishka. Say o mo ma me em say e ba has come out 2.5. I no more scan 2.5 million. Mine no no ni em. E mine no bibi na de ni adwuma. France to no ma say na. Bibi na de ni mine ni. Na France to no ma so ma. We dey teach ampacho we dey sire bu say ampacho. What if you dance over from pay? I have accident pay na. No say no you accident pay. Can't find what when money. Can't find what is sir. Okay. Let me show you why. I'm on branch your best subject. Oh, okay. Na pacho we nti wo ha na kan o. Okwanchi no. E wo say nti na wo. Listen nana. Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Bonjour ma chère, bonjour maman. Comment allez-vous? Mika fokaji me kwa. Tele-tele-mu. Tele-tele-mu. We dey hunum. Friend teacher. It me just so much jealousy. Make dear. Me just say mine do no dey be school. Lay on one ka say ti ma brain ma about to papa so no. E say enya hudi wo mo bi. Me call report no headmaster. And say obon yo. Master wasi ni ye betele no. Wo bibi say fu say any kan. Ye be tell wasi yo. Tie. Obi ti ya ba. Awu headmaster office. Headmaster when receive me no when receive. So when receive. Ya je no. Dey no say call headmaster. No call report ye how watch no. Because ye be tell wasi next month ye be tell. Because na opa mo me ni say. Opa mo me ntata no office school me. Hey, now una aje no pamo no. Be yefu ye ni mu nko. Why say any e ma se ni ne ton kra na se odware ne wakoto na ne ma na ne ton na trap. Ye ntata no mo. Ntata no be boa. Aba anye sa de ba se office school.
Next on Students of Today.
Sir, I don't know you, sir. And so who send me dog?
What do me?
I sacked me dog.
form 1 ni. What have I?
Odo de emfa ho. Se nipa no form 2, so nipa no form 1. Odo any class.
We are forcer. We need power, madam. I will name some and like it. I was wasting it.
Hey, now that can say nothing to what you chimmy, when I'm home, some me believer. By the way, me didn't senior confusion. Yeah, whom you are mediani senior confusion. Oh, okay. You are ban any ella. Ellen, yeah, man. Hey, Debbie, oh, boy. Well, and Yenny Naka, what did them say?
Students of today. Gangsta. Aka. Ejuma ho identity a man for quick keys. Oh yeah, we be baby am simple. AKABENEZER. I don't know say so child the French. Nenswanteda. I say we be like gone. Ti on ma no we konkon. On pe wo ba wa fon. Tell you we pe di enam wom. Da wo pe di enam wom. Oba ko fo wa jisku mana boso. Branch this why wanting to this young koso. And I'm for pa. I wanted to want them. Like it. Oh, the students of today. Yeah, we should shake the beat. Students of today.